Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's make easy evening snack, fried stuffed buns. And the ingredients are 2 medium-sized onion chopped, 3 small green chillies chopped, some coriander leaves chopped and the curry leaves. Now in a hot saucepan, put some butter, put the chopped onions firstly and salt as per your taste and a teaspoon of black pepper powder, also a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And saute very nicely. Now add the chopped green chilies, curry leaves, and half of the coriander leaves. Rest of them let's put last to look fresh. Here our masala is almost ready. Now let's prepare the buns. Here I took 8 small buns. Now make a hole beneath the buns. Here. Like this. For these 8 buns, I boiled 2 eggs and cut into 8 pieces, 8 small pieces. Now let's spread the mayonnaise inside the holes first. And the second step is stuffing the boiled egg, a piece of boiled egg. Stuff it slowly, otherwise the bun will break. And the last step is the masala that we prepared. Press it slowly and now cover with the other piece of the bun. After closing, it will be like this. Here are the rest of them. We have to make like this. Now to shallow fry these, I have taken here 2 eggs, a teaspoon of black pepper powder and a pinch of salt. Whisk it properly. Now in a hot pan, put some ghee or butter. Now cover all the sides of the bun with the egg mixture. Do like this rest of them. If you have a leftover egg mixture, you can pour it top of the buns. Now flip and cook all the sides of the buns like this. Here goes a tasty evening snack is ready. Fried stuffed buns. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.